Today's video is kindly sponsored by FABFITFUN. They sent me over this box, the summer 2024, for free. If your love language is gifts and you need to treat yourself for self-care this year, FABFITFUN is the way to go about that, because it's like Christmas. Once a quarter, you get to open fun gifts and it's a present to yourself. I had a subscription back in 2021, I want to say, and absolutely loved it. It was like opening a Christmas package every quarter. It was fantastic. Hi, my name is Shawn. Welcome to my channel. I balance the seriousness of life with the silly of being a minister in the church. And we all need to treat ourselves sometimes. It's not a bad thing to treat yourself and to practice self-care. Let's open the box together, and I'm excited to share what I picked out. They let me customize everything in this box. There were choices and I got to pick which gifts I wanted, but I don't remember which ones I picked, so it's definitely a surprise again. I'm excited. If you get a membership, you also get to pick out your products. So excited to open this. We have a bikini lady here in pink. It feels very vacation-y. And inside you get all of these fun products. Okay, and remember, I got to pick everything. So let's see what I picked here. So how this works is you can get a membership. You can get a seasonal membership, which you pay per box, which is $69.99 per quarter, or you can get an annual membership, which is $219.99 per year, which is what I got the annual membership before, and that makes it only $55 per box. Now, each box is valued up to $350, so it's a great value. It's beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and lifestyle products to choose from. Personally, I keep a lot of this stuff for myself, but a lot of it I gift to other people. So I pick stuff out in mind for upcoming birthdays, upcoming church leader gifts, like if I need to gift something for somebody, a volunteer. Let's start with the first choice that I made, okay? I got this right here, which should be a Business and Pleasure Co. cooler tote bag that retails for $99. And having kids, going on trips, always could use a tote bag with a cooler. I love keeping these in the car, so like if I buy ice cream or something at the grocery store, then I can just pop it in my little cooler bag. We go on picnics as a family a lot of times, and these are just really great bags to carry for a picnic. So the company's Business and Pleasure. I love the green on here. I don't have anything green. And the waves is really cute. That is actually really cute. It does not feel cheap at all. The hardware feels not as substantial as I would have thought for $100, to be honest. But I do like they give you a tiny bit of padding for your shoulder. It's an adjustable strap. I love that it has a zipper. There are no pockets on the inside, but it is a nice, feels like a nice high quality cooler material on the inside. And I think it's the perfect size for a little picnic, or to even take your lunch in if you wanted to. Let me stand up and show you how it fits on the shoulder. This is gonna be difficult. Okay. So see, it's big, but it's not too big. And it does have handles like this, as well as the crossbody handle. But I think my favorite feature is the zipper. It does bother me when there are little strings that hang off of a product. So I'll have to get some scissors to clip that off. But overall, this is a really cute bag. It says use with ice packs, keep in shade to help maintain internal temperature, keep zipper closed when in use. Yeah, I'm excited to use this. Okay. The other choices you could have picked out, there were a lot of choices for this first one. I will pop them up on the screen around me right now. So those are the other choices I could have picked from. Now for option 2, I picked out what was in this little tiny little package here from a brand by Sherry maybe? Here's the brand name. And it's a piece of jewelry. I do not own anything with pearls on it. And I live in South Carolina. Now this is a freshwater pearl lorette necklace. It retails for $54. And remember, you don't pay these prices. You pay either the $69.99 per month for the seasonal package, or you get the yearly package and it's only $55 a box. So it comes in this little cute, small, what is this? Microfiber maybe? Little cloth? How do I get it out? Okay. Okay, and then it comes in a little baggie. Oh, that's pretty. It has how many pearls? 3 freshwater pearls on a gold chain. And even the chain, it's such a small dainty. I love small dainty necklaces. So I wouldn't wear it with a crew neck, but I'm gonna put it on. I would wear this with a V-neck. And just would be something really pretty to hang down. So, let's see if we can, yeah, that's really pretty. Okay. All right. Does it feel like $54? Honestly, no. I wish I knew what the material, this is very thin, what the material is made of. But I do like that it's authentic pearls, authentic freshwater pearls. So that probably adds to the value of it. Okay. Here are the rest of what you will have options for choice number 2. Choice number 3, I picked out coasters by, how do you say this name? Ririku resin coasters that retail for $40. Ririku is the brand. We go through coasters. I'm trying to think if I have gotten coasters from FABFITFUN before, and I think they're sitting over there. They were really nice. Ooh. So we are moving into a new house soon, and I was thinking of these for the new house because I always like to start with fresh coasters. These are pretty. Okay, it's like a blush nude. It's not pink, but it's definitely a blush color. Marbling. They're very light. They're not heavy like marble because they're resin. And they have the little bumps on the back, the plastic feet, so it's not going to scratch your furniture. These are pretty. Simple, elegant, chic. Yeah, those are pretty. I'm very excited to put these in our new house. These are also really good to keep coasters for like housewarming gifts for people. I've done that before. I have a bin that has FABFITFUN stuff in it that if I need a last minute gift for someone, I go and I search through. So I like having extra little gifts. I know the rest of you as children's ministry leaders who are watching this on my channel, some of you have never been to my channel before. So you're like, why do you keep saying children's ministry leaders? But that's who the main audience of this channel is. And most of us like to keep gifts, extra gifts on hand to give to volunteers for appreciation. So I will pop up the rest of the choices that you have here on the screen that I could have picked from. Fourth option, I picked this Cracked Hill Souffle Lotion by Sarah Labs, and it retails for $35.95, 46 grams of product. And we're all wearing sandals, right? It's sandal season. And you gotta have those heels looking pretty and not cracked. So I'm gonna open this because I'm tempted. I wanna see if it has a scent or if it's plain. Just in case you get this box and this is your choice. Okay, it does have a very light scent of, what is that? Lavender. I think it's lavender. I could be wrong. Oh. It's thick like you want it to be. It's thick. You want it thick on your heels. And it smells a little bit like lavender. Okay, I'm excited to try this one out. Here are the rest of the options you could pick for choice number 4 on the screen. Choice 5. Ooh, I'm excited about this one. Choice 5. I got the Alley-Oop 11th Hour Cream Eyeshadow and Liner Stick in the shade Baby Pearl. Now, I love an eyeshadow stick. That's basically all I use these days on my eyelids because it is so quick. I put on some sunscreen on my eyelids and then I take an eye stick liner like this and just do. And this is the shade that looks good. I have blue eyes. And this pearlescent champagne-y color is so beautiful on blue eyes. Let's see. I put the foot cream over there, so I'm going to do this right here. It's just a very light. Did that come off? Oh yeah, I see it. My hand's so white, it's hard to see. There you go. Now you can see it. Yeah, that's going to be pretty. I'm going to love this. I am very excited to have one of these. And I've never tried this brand. This retails for $24. And I would say that I typically want to say I pay around $27 for other brands. So $24 is right on the money market for how much these liner sticks cost. Love. Here are the other choices that I had the option to pick for this box. Before I show you what I picked out for choice number 6, I wanted to tell you about the flash sales because the flash sales are very good. The flash sales are products that are up to 70% off. And I cannot tell you how many times I've gone into these flash sales and picked up gifts for other people for birthdays and for Christmas at very discounted prices. And they have fantastic name brands. Like I have purchased Coach before through the flash sales. I've purchased Kate Spade. I have a little Kate Spade pouch. Stuff that I normally buy and brands that I normally buy from are in the flash sales for 70% off. And also a lot of times stuff will come back, like if you had the choices and say there were 2 options in a category, because for several of the categories there was more than one option that I wanted. But I had to pick one from each category. There were other things in there that I was interested in. They will sometimes pop up. I look out for them to pop up on the flash sales, and so then I can get them as well. So the flash sales are also a great reason to get the subscription. Choice number 6, I picked up the Swell food canister. 1, because it's a beautiful pink. 2, is it stainless steel or aluminum? Stainless steel. Dishwasher safe, leak-proof silicone lid, eco-friendly. I've had something from Swell before, and I want to say it was like a coffee mug or something that was really good. But it's just a snack food container. I'm all the time needing these, and this is good size. It's not too big and it's not too small. Like a bunch of Cheez-Its would fit in here for road trips when I'm taking my kids out on the road. If I need a snack for church, like it's not too big and it's not small. Like this is gonna hold a decent size amount of Cheez-Its, Goldfish, crackers, pretzels, you know, blueberries, strawberries. That's a good size. And it's a beautiful color too. Wow. I'm so happy with this. Okay, how much does this retail for? $23. And that sounds right to me because it's the brand name Swell, and you are getting a good quality canister. This will probably never go bad. Like you'll have this for the rest of your life, I'm thinking. And is dishwasher safe? I never put these kind of things in the dishwasher though. Do you put your stuff in the dishwasher? Your stainless steel products? Yeah, I'm excited to start using this. Okay, so let's add up the total cost and see how close we get to the $350. So I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. Actually, I'm gonna scoot over. Swell container, $23. The eyeshadow stick, $24. The foot cream, $35.95. $40 for the coasters. $54 for the necklace. And then the cooler bag for $99. I still have a bag from FABFITFUN that I use frequently for kids stuff. And then I've had 2 other bags that I have, pool bags that I've gifted to other family members. So I always like getting a bag. Here is the total cost. Future Shawn will pop in the summary. How close did we get to 350? Don't forget to treat yourself, especially if your love language is gifts. Take the time to give yourself a present or gift this to someone on your team or in your life that loves receiving gifts and surprises. This makes an excellent birthday or Christmas gifts. Don't forget about the flash sales at 70% off. They are honestly great deals. Before I forget, I have some special coupon codes for you. If you get the annual subscription, here is a code that you get a free gift. Shawn20 gift right here. If you put this gift in when you go to checkout, that will get you a free gift. If you want to do the seasonal subscription, which is you pay per box, the $69.99, here is my code, Shawn20. You get 20% off your very first box. Fantastic deal, which is what I think I did when I first got FABFITFUN, is I used a YouTuber's code for that 20% off. And then later I was like, yeah, I'm getting the annual. And don't forget, if you get a subscription, you too get to pick out your gifts as well. You get to pick out your products that you want. So that's a fantastic deal in my opinion. And it's fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.